Hey folks, tonight we're diving into the world of digital wallets with Google Wallet. Ever wished you could pay for stuff with just your phone? Well, Google Wallet makes that a reality. It's like having a virtual wallet tucked away in your smartphone. Think of it as your regular wallet, but instead of leather and cash, it uses ones and zeros. You can store your credit cards, debit cards, and even loyalty cards in this digital haven. And the best part? You can use it to pay for things in stores, online, and even send money to your friends. Now, before you ditch your trusty leather friend, let's break down exactly how this whole Google Wallet thing works. It's all very exciting and potentially life-changing, but we need to fully understand it. That's what we do here on the show. We take complicated things and, well, the jury's still out on what we do, actually. All right. So how do you even get this Google Wallet thing up and running? It's surprisingly easy, folks. First things first, you got to download the Google Wallet app on your phone. It's available for both those fancy iPhones and Android devices. No discrimination here. Once you've got the app, just follow the on-screen instructions to add your cards. It's as simple as snapping a picture of your card or manually entering the details. Don't worry, Google's got your back with some top-notch security to keep your information safe and sound. Now let's talk about the fun part. Using it, imagine this. You're at the checkout line at your favorite coffee shop, caffeine withdrawal setting in. Just whip out your phone, hold it near the payment terminal, and boom, payment done. No more fumbling with cash or cards. So why should you even bother with Google Wallet? Well, for starters, it's ridiculously convenient. Say goodbye to the days of carrying around a bulky wallet. With Google Wallet, your phone becomes your wallet, your ticket to a clutter-free life. But wait, there's more. It's also incredibly secure. Google uses something called encryption to protect your card information. Think of it as a super secret code that only your phone and the payment terminal can understand. Plus, if you ever lose your phone, you can remotely wipe all your data, including your Google Wallet information. And here's the kicker, it can even save you money. Many retailers offer exclusive discounts and rewards for using Google Wallet. So not only are you simplifying your life, but you're also getting rewarded for it. That's what I call a win-win situation, folks. Section 4. The downsides. Google Wallet's not-so-perfect side. Now, before you get too excited, let's address the elephant in the room. The potential downsides. While Google Wallet is designed with security in mind, there's always a risk involved when you're dealing with technology. Hackers are constantly finding new ways to exploit systems, so it's important to be vigilant and keep your phone's security up to date. Another thing to consider is that not all stores accept Google Wallet. While it's becoming increasingly popular, you might still encounter some places that prefer good old-fashioned cash or cards. So, it's always a good idea to have a backup payment method, just in case. And let's not forget the dreaded dead battery scenario. Imagine this. You're at the grocery store, bags full of delicious food, and your phone decides to die on you. If you're relying solely on Google Wallet, you might be in a bit of a pickle. That's why it's crucial to keep your phone charged and have a backup plan in place. Section 5, conclusion. Is Google Wallet worth it? So is Google Wallet the future of payments? Well, it definitely has the potential. It's convenient, secure, and can even save you money, but it's not without its risks and limitations. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Google Wallet comes down to your personal preferences and needs. If you're comfortable with technology and value convenience, then Google Wallet might just be your new best friend. Just remember to be aware of the potential risks. Keep your phone secure and always have a backup plan. And hey, if you ever find yourself at a loss, just remember, cash is king.